So the knowledge we are going to gain from today's topic is about heading of HTML. So here you can see these are the headings in HTML, or heading format is in descending order from bigger to smaller. First one is the main heading, second one is the subheading, and then from small to small. So while going practically, as you can see here, we have this web page, we have two headings there. On number one is my. If we copy the first one and paste it here 6 times means 5 times more.
And save it.
Or check on a web page, you see here we got 6 headings but in a same size. Now we will change these 6 headings in a sequence from 1 to 6 by creating change in the syntax. Heading changing no from 1 to 2, 1 to 3, same as 4, 5, 6.
So now
here all syntax are changed. We will save it and refresh our web page. You see we got 6 headings but in different size in descending order from bigger to smaller.